Hi everyone, how are you today? How's your day been? Okay, so today I'm bringing you a property I did a little while ago. So this property is somewhere called Salisbury in Wiltshire. So I found this property at an auction, and at this point I didn't know where Salisbury was. I mean, I'd heard about Salisbury, but I really didn't know where it was on the map. But I liked the look of the property, and I liked the price even more. You know, the guide price, obviously, because it's an auction, you get a guide price. That doesn't necessarily mean that's what the property is going to go for. But this guide price was quite attractive to me, so I decided to hop on the train and go and do the viewing. So when I went to do the viewing, there were so many people. The agent who was in that particular viewing said to me that they'd had over 100 people, and auction viewings are, that I was going to say they're designed to intimidate, but they're not designed to intimidate. But the truth about it is the people who have a lot of money, the builders, they all come there, trying to intimidate other people into not, bidding for that property. You see them with all sorts of gadgets, measuring that, pencils in their ears, tapes over their necks, and, all sorts. So, all sorts of cars as well. So I remember this particular day, I was actually quite intimidated when I went to view this property, because there were so many people and a lot of builders, and you could see some serious developers there. So when I saw this property, I liked what I saw, and like I said earlier, the guide price was really good. So I decided I was going to buy that property. So when I finished viewing, I stepped across the road, and believe it or not, I stretched forth my hand and prayed and said, this particular property, I'm buying you. Despite the competition, this is mine. And guess what? I got the property at the auction on the day. So, so I was really happy about that, because I really liked the property as well. So it's pretty run down. It was a probate one. The old lady who lived there had passed away, and I think her family were selling it and what have you. So I purchased it, and I decided after doing it. So what I did with this particular one, I actually built an extension, because I remember after I had bought this property, whilst I was doing it, I went over to Salisbury and I had to spend a few days in a hotel. And what struck me was the hotels in Salisbury were so expensive for not very much. The quality wasn't matching the price at all. And I realized that a lot of the cars in the car parks had come from Europe. So it dawned on me that it was really a tourist location. Obviously, I knew about Salisbury Cathedral, which is, quite a famous cathedral. So I decided I was going to use this particular property as a holiday let. So I then decided to extended the property. So right now, I use that property as a holiday let. So what I'm going to do is show you the pictures of what it looked like before and what it looks like now. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and obviously leave your comments and share the video. Okay, thank you so much, and see you again very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.